Title: Generous, sharing the gift of giving. Meaning: today, we're exploring the word generous. Generous is an adjective used to describe someone who is willing to give, share, or help others without expecting anything in return. It's a quality that reflects a kind and open-hearted nature. Pronunciation. Pronouncing generous is simple, ʻdʒɛnərəs, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, she was known for her generous spirit, always ready to lend a helping hand or give to those in need. Importance. Generous individuals contribute to building stronger communities and fostering positive relationships. Their acts of kindness make the world a better place. Conclusion. In summary, generous is a word that represents the beauty of selflessness and the warmth of giving. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, be generous in your own way and spread kindness in the world.